everyone. Now you are in Steven's section, and today I wanna talk something about the relationship between gas and human. As we all know, the endomorphy is made up of the colorless, odorless mixture of gas. There are three main parts of gas in it. They are oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and their concentration are 78%, 21%, and 0.003%. Everyone needs oxygen to breathe, but it also can serve any other purpose. Nitrogen is not required for respiration, but it composes about 4 to 5 of our atmosphere. Is the nitrogen a useless gas? Then let us talk about that step by step. First of all, let's talk about the oxygen. Oxygen is very important and very familiar to us because we need oxygen to breathe every time of our whole life. You may never really think about breathing until it becomes hard to do. In addition, oxygen is also used for medical care and human survival. Nowadays, you may have heard of medical compressed oxygen during the emergency medical service. The patient burned pure oxygen through a mask. The highly compressed air falls in the lung and in the blood. That increased of dissolved in the bloodstream. And high property oxygen is also used for cutting and burning, and it is extremely important during making steels. Now let us see the video when the people making steels. That's the video shows us how people making the steels in the factory. Because of the oxygen, the steel becomes extremely hot. Okay, that's it. And the last thing, the remarkable invention which is made by oxygen called fuel cell is used by the space industry. Some fuel cells burn hydrogen and oxygen gas, leaving water as a product. Liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen are mixed in a combustion chamber. It produces enough energy to lift extremely heavy rockets into orbit. Secondly, let's say something about nitrogen. Nitrogen is inert gas which is not very reactive. The word inert means slow. Something with the property of inertness hardly sounds useful, yet this very property makes hydrogen extremely valuable in technological and industrial application, because nitrogen gas reacts with very few substance that can be used to blank substance produce them from reacting with oxygen. This usually happens in a closed container. For example, ground coffee can taste bitter when exposed to oxygen for a long period of time. Packaging coffee in a nitrogen-enhanced container helps coffee keep its taste. And that's the picture of the liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen's low burning point means that it can be used in preservation. Food frozen quickly and in liquid nitrogen retain more nutrients than slowly frozen food. On the other hand, liquid nitrogen is a useful cool kit for nuclear plant which need to be very cold, because it needs to keep nuclear reaction material cool enough so that it can be safe. Last but not least, carbon dioxide is colorless and odorless gas. Oh, do you guys drink soft drinks? Do you murmur when you drink soft drinks? The fizzy sounds come from the release of the carbon dioxide bubbles when the drink is opened. That makes soft drink taste much cooler. Carbon dioxide also can be used in soda water. In addition, there are 3 stands of carbon dioxide. Its solid stance is called dry ice. Dry ice is very convenient and clean to use. So those gas to some extent are very important for our daily life. This is the end. Thank you for your patience.